The size and mass difference. To start, we need to understand that if Earth were the same size as the Sun, it wouldn't just be bigger. The Earth would have to increase both in size and mass significantly. The Sun is about 109 times wider than the Earth, and its mass is around 333,000 times greater. This enormous size and mass would cause significant changes in how our planet operates, affecting gravity, atmosphere, life, and even time itself. 1. Gravity would increase drastically if Earth became as big as the Sun. Its gravitational pull would increase dramatically. Gravity depends on mass, and a more massive Earth would have a much stronger gravitational pull. This would impact everything from our bodies to the structure of the planet. Humans and living beings. We wouldn't be able to survive under such intense gravity. Our bodies are adapted to Earth's current gravity, and an increase would crush us. Walking, moving, and even standing would be impossible because the force pulling us down would be so strong. Atmosphere. The stronger gravity would pull in more gases, making the atmosphere incredibly dense. This could prevent sunlight from reaching the surface, plunging the planet into darkness and freezing temperatures. Oceans. With increased gravity, the oceans would behave very differently. Water would weigh much more, so it might not form oceans as we know them. Tides, waves, and currents could become far more intense and unpredictable. Number 2. Earth's composition would change. For Earth to be as big as the Sun, it would need to be made up of different materials. The Sun is mostly made of hydrogen and helium, while Earth consists of rock, water, and metal. If Earth increased in size while maintaining its current materials, the planet could collapse under its own weight. Core and mantle. Earth's core would become extremely hot due to the pressure of such a massive planet. This could trigger constant volcanic eruptions and geological activity. Magnetic field. Earth's magnetic field, generated by the movement of liquid iron in its core, might become much stronger, or it could become unstable, leading to strange effects on our climate and technology. Number 3. Day and year would change. Currently, Earth takes 24 hours to rotate on its axis, giving us day and night and 365 days to orbit the Sun. If Earth were as big as the Sun, its rotational speed would likely slow down due to its massive size. A single day might last weeks or even months, and a year might stretch far longer than what we experience now. This change in the length of a day and year would have drastic effects on the environment. Prolonged periods of daylight could lead to extreme heat, while long nights could cause freezing temperatures. 4. The planet would heat up. If Earth were as large as the Sun, it might start to behave like a star. The intense pressure and heat at the core could trigger nuclear fusion, the process that powers stars. This would turn the Earth into a small star, emitting heat and light. Life would end. If Earth became a star, it would no longer be a suitable place for life. The surface would become incredibly hot, far too hot for water to exist in liquid form or for any living beings to survive. New solar system. If Earth turned into a star, it could disrupt the balance of our solar system. Planets that once orbited the Sun would be pulled towards this new massive Earth, causing collisions and chaos in space. Number 5. Impact on the solar system. A massive Earth would have a gravitational impact on the entire solar system. It might pull other planets out of their orbits, causing them to crash into each other or drift off into space. The Moon, Earth's moon, would likely be torn apart by the planet's increased gravity or pulled into Earth's surface. Other planets like Mars, Venus, and even Jupiter could be affected. Their orbits would change, and they might collide with each other or with Earth itself. 6. Loss of atmosphere and water. In a worst-case scenario, Earth might lose its atmosphere and water due to the increased gravitational forces. The stronger gravity could pull gases and liquids away from the planet, leaving it barren and lifeless. Conclusion: if Earth were as big as the Sun, the changes would be catastrophic. Gravity would increase to the point where life as we know it couldn't survive. The planet might even transform into a star, emitting heat and light and disrupting the entire solar system. It's a mind-boggling thought experiment, but fortunately, Earth will remain its current size, allowing life to thrive.